Will visitors prefer this heading or this one? Will making this call to action a little bigger drive more visitors to click it? This is where Webflow Optimized helps you test variations and gain insights into visitor behavior so that you can learn what's working or what's not and continuously improve your site. So we'll cover the Webflow Optimize options: testing, personalization, and AI Optimize. The first is testing. With testing, you can present visitors with different variations of your site, different copy, or maybe different hero images to see which converts more visitors. For us, we want to see which of these two calls to action perform better with visitors. And here's how it works. First, we have to actually build the two variations. Then we can define how much traffic to send to each one. Maybe you want to test one of the variations with a small portion of your visitors because you're not confident about it. And once we launch, we can review the results and implement the winning variation on our site. So that's testing. Next, let's look at personalization. With personalization, you can tailor your site's experience for different audiences or segments of visitors. Using the personalization option is great for when you know some experiences work better for some audiences, like the idea that return visitors are more likely to respond to more direct calls to action. Or maybe you want to make sure anyone who received an offer via email sees that same offer on your site. For us, we want to customize our call to action, our CTA, for first-time visitors versus returning site visitors. Let's first define our two audiences, new visitors and returning visitors, because we want to show each of them a different call to action. Then we set up a variation, in this case, a different CTA for each audience. And once we have that all set, we launch our variations and watch to see how they perform. And that's personalization. Next, let's use AI Optimize to automate testing and personalization. AI Optimize has elements of both testing and personalization. You still come up with the ideas you want to test or personalize, but now AI Optimize can automatically detect how visitors are different and match each visitor to the best variation for them. So you don't have to choose traffic splits or define audiences. Instead, AI Optimize dynamically directs more traffic to the variation that maximizes conversions based on what it knows about them through machine learning, and it keeps improving as visitors engage with your site. This is especially useful when you want to rapidly test multiple variations and combination of variations. With this approach, you can minimize the number of visitors who see low-performing variations and maximize conversions in real time. So that's AI Optimize. Now, there's a whole topic on generating ideas to test in the first place. This is called conversion rate optimization strategy. We have a lot more information on that and best practices over at Webflow's Help Center, so be sure to check that out. And that's a high-level overview of how Webflow Optimize helps you take your site to the next level.